Latvia-Lithuania Cross-Border Cooperation Program 2007-2013, one of the 52 European territorial cooperation programs, the continuation of Interreg 3B 2000-2006 Latvia-Lithuania-Belarus Interreg 3A Program South Priority. In Latvia it covers 65% of the total territory of state Kurzeme, Žemgale and Latgale regions. And in Lithuania it covers 63% of the total territory of state Klaipėda, Telšiai, Šiauliai, Panevėžys, Utena and Adjacent region Kaunas. The program affects on 3 million people. The Latvia-Lithuania program is co-financed by the European Regional Development Fund. The budget available for the projects during 2007-2013 amounts to 60 million euro. Program co-finances up to 85% of the total eligible project costs. During 4 calls for proposals, 382 projects have been submitted to the program and 77 have been already approved. 72 projects are running and 3 projects are completed with total committed funds for 43 million euros. The Latvia-Lithuania program's objectives come from European Union strategy for the Baltic Sea region. The strategy aims to promote a more balanced development of the region and to make Europe more environmentally sustainable, prosperous, accessible and attractive, safe and secure. And Latvia-Lithuania program seeks to promote sustainable and equal socio-economic development in border region, to make it competitive for economic and business development and attractive for living and visiting. So what has been reached so far? Approximately 6,000 people in Latvia-Lithuania program area are involved in fruit growing. The primary project's goals was to establish a joint technology transfer center able to develop and test the growing, storage and processing technologies for new strains of fruit. In addition to that, trainings and consultations were organized as well as support for fruit growers provided. A lack of equipment and cooperation has been some of the main barriers in responding quicker to fire and rescue calls from border residents. Therefore, the aim of this project is to create a joint firefighting rescue service response system in Panevėžys and Bauska regions. This would allow to pool the firefighting resources of both neighboring areas' rescue forces. During the project, new equipment for fire and rescue forces were obtained and seminars which helped to share the best practices were organized. The project aims to enrich the cultural life of Piesite, Akneste and Rokiškis communities. 3 folk festivals have been organized in each of the border towns.
Esam ieguvuši daudz jaunu draugu un paziņu gan Latvijā, gan Lietuvā. Un es ceru, ka kaut kā beigas, ir kaut kā jauna sākums, un es domāju, ka viss notiks arī turpmāk.
At the same time, several sets of sound equipment were obtained to improve the quality of the organization of the events. The project also foresees investments in sound and lighting equipment for stages. Project partners have coordinated efforts to produce a joint strategy for promoting the region, in which visitors will have a chance to see how traditional art and artisans' crafts are made. Project aims to establish a network of craft and art centers in 10 different locations. 5 new tourist routes along the Latvian-Lithuanian border will invite one to explore the art of wood carving, enjoy the rich culinary heritage of the region by tasting traditional foods, find out the secrets of artisans as they work on leather, stone or clay, or experience an unforgettable journey into the world of history and art. The kindergartens of Žeimelis, Lithuania and Rundale, Latvia are located just 12 kilometers from each other, making them perfect project partners. They are seeking to strengthen cross-border cooperation concerning children's health and also teaching of the customs and traditions of their neighbors.
Visais reikia draugauti. Pas mus, pažiūrėkit, kokios niūrios nuotaikos visur. Žmonės ir paskutinio metu pradeda atrodyti, kad čia krizės, kad čia pesimizmas, kad čia kažkas iš tikrųjų, juk mes džiaugiamės, norim džiaugtis. Pavasarį, saulė, vaikai, nu kas gali būti gražiau. Viskas gerai, viskas šaunu, viskas bus dar geriau ir gražiau. Jeigu mūsų vaikai šitaip gražiai šauks, dainuosi, susijėmę už rankų bendruose projektuose dalyvaus, tai tikrai jie nesipyks niekada. Vadinasi, išvengsime karų.
Almost anything we can do by ourselves, but work in cooperation with our neighbors is easier and more efficient.